Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 13D question 3. So in this video, I'm going to do parts B and D. So this exercise is all about definite integration, which basically means when we have basically upper limit and lower limit, and the output of a definite integral is just a value, it's not a function anymore. So to integrate x minus 3 over x squared, we first need to expand this, and then we can integrate that. So we have x minus 3x times, or maybe I can just say I'm going to use identities. So here we have x squared plus 9 over x squared, and finally minus 6x over x, which can be simplified to minus 6. Okay, so now let's integrate this. So we have the integral of x squared. Now for the term 9 over x squared, it's better to rewrite this as 9x to the power minus 2 minus 6 dx. So now it's just a simple integration. So by the way, when we have a definite integral, we always use square brackets, and inside the square brackets we write down the integral, and then we use that to find the value. So x squared differentiates to 1 over 3x cubed, and 9x to the power of minus 2 integrates to minus 9x to the power of minus 1, and minus 6 integrates to minus 6x. And now we write the limits. The next step is just substituting. So we substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit as substituted, and that gives us the value. So we have 1/3 times 6 cubed minus 9 times 6 to the power minus 1 minus 6 times 6 minus, now we substitute the lower limit. So 1 over 3 times 3 cubed minus 9 times 3 to the power minus 1 minus 6 times 3. And if you work out this, the answer is equal to 93 over 2. Okay, so now let's do part D. So now we have 2 plus root x over x squared. So the first step is rewriting this in the form x to the power of n. So we'll have, or maybe it's better to first split each the main fraction into two fractions. So 2 over x squared plus root x over x squared dx, and now I rewrite this in the form x to the power of n. And also at the same time, instead of having root x, let's write it as x to the power of a half. So we'll get 2x to the power of minus 2 plus x to the power of minus 3 over 2 dx. Okay, at this point we can integrate this. So 2x to the power of minus 2 integrates to minus 2x to the power of minus 1 plus, or actually it might be negative, so we'll see. So we have minus 3 over 2, so is the power of x. So we add 1 to that, and then we get minus 1 over 2, and we divide x by minus 1 over 2, which if you divide, it becomes the reciprocal, and we get minus 2x. So it's going to be minus 2x to the power of minus a half. And yeah, so that's the integral. So the limits are 4 and 1. Again, we just substitute them. We have minus 2 times 4 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 times 4 to the power of minus a half minus 2 times 1 to the power of minus 1 minus 2 times 1 to the power of minus a half. And this time the answer is 5 over 2.